Okay, good morning, students. Now, from today, we are starting activity number 6 from practical B. And you be ready. Schedule of presentation is given already. Follow strictly that deadlines of the activity. Again and again, I will not revise and be ready to present your activity. Like Hafiza told me that she is ready to conduct activity. In last week only, she had told me her group was ready, but I said no, as it is a test on the unit 2, conduct it on the Monday so that students will prepare and then we will give this play will this game which is in the form of test. So you will enjoy this test number 2, whose mark I am going to consider. Now this activity mark I am going to consider as unit test 2 because I had declared it. This will be your unit test. Okay. So, Hafiza and group, you can start the activity. Introduce your activity.
Good morning, everyone.
What I need to do? Okay. I had to click at the spin. I had to click at the spin. Na? Now I will click at the spin. As soon as I will click at the spin, then this wheel will start moving, and then you have to say stop. And when you will say stop, it will be I will stop it, and then whatever questions will be there, it will be to you. Okay. Who will say stop?
One from the students signing up.
Assign the student. Student need to say stop, and then it will. Yes. Now I have stopped. Now what is the question? How to read that question? From where? Okay. Okay. Question is here. See first, if a certain value of voltage is exceeded, sparking occurs and the dielectric is said to have breakdown. So Sachin, what is your answer? True. Okay. Now, shall I move the spin again? Miss Will. Okay, now second question I am starting. I am spinning the wheel. Now see what is the question here. If a distance between two electrode, this na? If a distance between two electrode is increased, breakdown voltage decreases. Okay. False is the answer. Now, next slide, I have to go. Okay, next slide. Your question, read it. 14 number question. In secondary ionization, electron is liberated from free electron. Ankita has told false. Now I have to move next slide or just spin again. Digvijay, you have to say stop. So now question 12. What- Question number 12 is breakdown strength decreases with increase in temperature. True. Now whether I have to go next slide? So Shreyas answered first, not Ankita. So what I have to do next slide? Okay, next slide. Now whose turn is there? Atharva. Okay, Atharva, now you have to say me stop. I am spinning the wheel. Breakdown strength depends upon electrode shape and size. Okay, next I whether I should go next. Who is there now? Okay, repeated question. Yes, Swaraj Singh says stop. Question number 23. In primary ionization, electron is liberated due to impact of free electrons. Okay, Shreyas said true and it's correct. Now whether I should spin again. Question number 32 has come. See, read it yourself, you read it. What is it? Yes, liquid dielectrics are mainly used as capacitors. True or false answer? Okay, Shreyas. Okay, Ravi has answered. Now again. Same is stop. Now question number 31. Read it. What is that in violet color? In equipments filled with liquid dielectric, heat is transferred mainly by conduction. Point goes to Manas. Congratulations. Now question number 9. Whose turn? Question number 34. Green color. Dielectric property impacts the behavior of a material in the presence of electric field. True or false? Who answered first? Okay, Ankita, you answered first. Okay, good. Now, question number 10. Question number 38 in yellow color. The wheel is done beautiful, huh? Good colors. Good, very good. If the oil impurity particle size is low, larger will be the breakdown strength. Yes, and false. Who answered first?
Yes.
Shreyas is doing very good job. He is answering correctly. Ankita is doing good job. What others are doing? Come on, students. So hoping you all enjoyed. Finish. So many questions were there. How we can take it? Oh, then that is what I am thinking. That is what I am thinking that you have just 40 questions, I think. Yes or no? Now, what we'll do in these 40 questions, you just make a MCQ quiz because how we'll give mark as a test? That is my difficulty. So that you please put up all these questions true and false in the Google form and we'll conduct it. Okay. So let us do now just stop this activity. So students, you have seen how they launch activity number 6 very fantastically. Achal Tapre, Hafiza Attar and Nupur Wagmare. Well done. You did a very good job. Not only you lead this activity, you have become now leader of activity 6. Achal HAffiza Nupoor are now leader of Activity 6 and they did a very good job questions they said and the game they played in the spinning wheel. So that is new idea to me. Even I don't know. So I have to learn now this how to make this wheel that I will ask them. And now Achal HAffiza Nupoor, you just see whose schedule is there and who are next and you monitor for this activity 6. Okay, and make this activity 6 complete within the stipulated time period what dates I have given to you. Now I will just start conducting my remaining lecture. If you are ready, if another group is ready, you let me know. And Achal Hafiza and Nupur, you just do that. Tomorrow we will do activity. So what I will prefer, you just come ahead of yourself.